But now, Mustafa contract yeah. Whereas you've just told us already, you funded
Yes.
the flight and stuff.
Yes, meaning he's biting me from one room against us, my dad. That's why I couldn't get it. I was in Turkey, but I was looking at my phone. You can open it to see. You can take it again what's in today to Brown Hotel. They say this to the minister. So I did that January 8th. Even on my bank statements, I think you'll see them. I hope I doesn't come back again.
Okay?
My bank statements, you see, I hope I doesn't come back. The flight, the accommodation, I get them manual, entertainment.
Greetings to one, greetings to all. In this video, we are going to dwell a bit on emotional, shocking, and unbelievable exposure of the recording that was done by Cat Matlala, which was played by Witness C at Madlanga Commission. It is unbelievable and shocking that money just behind our nose, our backs, and everything has been playing this game. The first question that must be asked is, if I understood there is a certain part of the intelligence that is operating from the office of the president, what is the responsibility of such an arm of intelligence? Well, was it so very difficult for anybody at a senior level to have been able to come to realize such shocking game that is played on the taxpayers' money? Was the president of South Africa expected to have known? Does he know? Please tell us on the comments on what you think about this. This is devastating. And if the monies that are moving around like this in front of us cannot be traced and be seen, and the few people that are taking steps to be honest in our South African police must be running around away from evil and wrong people to such an extent that they have to be protected against criminals. What is the role of the structure of government? Who's supposed to have been doing what? This is shocking and expose the non-existence of capacity of our government to function. And you can remember in the ad hoc committee that Deputy Minister Castle Matale cannot even mention one simple responsibility that he's got as a deputy minister, but he's getting a 2.2 million salary per annum. He cannot explain what is his job. This is exposing a shocking circumstances surrounding our inability to secure the taxpayers' funds, and the people must always be making sure they comply, the taxes must be paid and everything. But on the other side, people are not taking responsibility of securing and taking care of our taxes. Ladies and gentlemen, some time back, I had an opinion to say, I think Brown Mokgotsi spoke to General Mukhwanazi as the intention to spill the beans. Cat Matlala was extremely disappointed by actions of allegedly Senzo Mchunu of taking away the 360 million tender. As a result, he decided to put everyone under the bus. And the person, as the recordings mentioned, he spoke to was Brown Mokgotsi. And then Brown Mokgotsi spoke to General Mukhwanazi provoked, he decided to tell General Mkhwanazi, be aware they are behind you. And at that time, there was no reason for him to speak to General Mkhwanazi. But Brown Mokgotsi was the mouthpiece of Ket Matlala to General Mkhwanazi to say, by Ket Matlala allegedly, I put all of you under the bus because I have lost. So I am of the opinion that Brown Mokgotsi was sent over by Ket Matlala to spill the beans to General Mkhwanazi as a revenge by what his cartel friends, the friends of Ket Matlala, has done to him by taking away the 360 million tender. This is shocking, and it's putting General Sibiya and Senzo Mkhunu at point of no return. What do you think? Can we say now we have found the core of the cartels in the police system, or do we still have bigger elements hidden somewhere? Should somebody have been aware of this? Is the president of the country supposed to have been able to have a particular arm of the intelligence have picked this up without having to rely on his police system to do it for him, because there is a certain section of the police responsibility or intelligence in the office of the president? What do you think about this? Please remember to subscribe and press the notification button. Thanks for watching the video.